Welcome to this tutorial. In this session, we'll show you how to assign an agent to an application, view the application details, and add tracking within the ERP system. Everything you need to keep a consultancy job moving and visible from start to finish. Let's get right into it. From the sidebar, search for the Consultancy module and open the Applications section, as shown in the previous tutorial, where you'll see your list of existing applications. To assign an agent to one, click on this icon. This opens a section where you input the agent's details. Then go ahead to select the specific agent from the drop-down menu. In this case, we will select Brown Paul. Next, fill in the agent description to define their role for this consultancy application. For example, lead consultant. A clear role here means everyone knows who's responsible for what. Once entered, click Assign to confirm and save the assigned role for the agent. This brings you back to the Applications list page, and you would notice that the status of the application has changed from pending to processing. To view, click here to open the application. This provides a comprehensive overview of the application, including customer details, agent information, application specifics, documents, and tracking. To log the progress of this application, navigate to the bottom of the page and click on the Add Tracking button. This opens a form field that allows you to add a date, select the status of the application, and add a remark. Then proceed to Select Date to choose the relevant tracking date. For this tutorial, we will be choosing the 20th of May as our date. After that, click Select Status to update the application's current status to either Under Review, Approved, or Rejected. For this tutorial, we will use Under Review. You can also use the Remarks section to leave internal notes for your team, handy for keeping context as the job progresses. When you are done, click Save to store the tracking information and remarks entered for the application. This takes you back to the Application Views page, where you can see that the tracking information has been added. To update the status of the application tracking, click here to edit. From here, you can change the status to Approved or Rejected as the application moves forward. Then click Save to confirm and save the final status of the application. Once your tracking details and status updates are saved, they'll be visible on the application's timeline. And that's a wrap on assigning agents and tracking applications. You've just learned how to assign an agent, review an application's full details, and log its progress with tracking. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial as we continue setting up your consultancy management system.